Hello friends, my name is Bryan Sanchez and I can't be more excited being part of this new series of workshops alongside Aliens Tattoo School. In this particular workshop, we're going to talk about watercolor, but not only for tattooers, but for artists who want to develop their own style. In this workshop, we're going to cover all the tattoo process from the very beginning, understanding the basics of tattooing, a clean line and a solid application, to the very end with some good tips and tricks for aftercare for your tattoos. First of all, we're going to talk about design, how we're going to create something unique for our clients, how we're going to take reference to create something different. We're going to talk about composition, bodies, harmonies, and the placement that we're going to tattoo. After that, we're going to talk about color theory, primaries, secondaries, color wheel, color harmonies, everything related with color. And something really special, I'm gonna teach you how I developed my own ink set with Eternal Ink, the most important ink brand in the world. With my color theory, you will realize that you don't need 200 bottles of ink to have a good color palette. I'm gonna teach you how you're gonna create your own. We're going to talk about equipment, the eternal debate, coils, rotaries, needle bars, cartridges, power supplies, gadgets, everything related with equipment. With this, you will realize which one is the best equipment for you. I'm gonna teach you how you're gonna set up your tattoo station to make it clean and make it safe for you and your client. After I have everything ready in the main part of this course, I'm gonna teach you all my tattoo process from the beginning with my lining, my black work, my texture, my color application, and my color transitions to make a good and solid watercolor tattoo. After that, I'm gonna share with you some tips and tricks for having a good aftercare for your tattoos. So join us in this workshop and we're definitely gonna make some cool tattoos. I will see you there.